let's break down a trade that I took today. And before that, I like you guys to look at this thing that I have all the Falcon strategy for you guys, all set the refinement. This is the for our contents, the reward program. This is the Falcon mechanics 101, and all you have to do is nothing, just message me on Telegram right up there, and you'll get all of these things for a small amount of fee. Like that, just fucking small, like very small. All right, so let's break down the trade I took. That was on us oil, and as we can see, we are moving to the downside from there also. As we can see, our impulse correction impulse, and we are still in that run to the downside, right? So there is still gap that needs to fill. And also when you look at it like this is the big impulsive run right up there. When like there is still ways to go to the downside, right? And also as we can see, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. And here the price left footprint on the 1 hour time frame, as we can see here. So we go directly from there, and let me remove this thing for you. And I was looking to get a insurance play from there. As you can see here, we also have the head and shoulder pattern. And then I realized that the left side, the right side must be slightly higher, as it is right here, slightly higher, which is best. So I took it right up there, a sell on the 50-minute time frame right now. So it's running good. I'm aiming for height right up there, and so we are running for around like 5-6%. I'm looking around 3% right now. So yeah, that's it for the day, guys. If you guys don't have that thing, message me on the Telegram. I got all the goods for you here.